So the first thing I got was the Great Value brand of wipes, like the cleaning wipes. They were like a little over $3. I got some the little air freshener things. They were only 97 cents. I got 2 of them. Oh, and only spent a little over $69 for all this stuff. I got some gloves for like cleaning and stuff. I got some more tissue just in case I want to run out of toilet paper. These are only 60 cents for 4 rolls. So there you go. And I got 2 of those. I got some trash bags. The little smelly ones. These are kind of pricey. They're like $8 and you only get 34 of them, but I like the smell of the game. So one of these are so cheap. These were only, I think, $1 for like 120. And I didn't know, like, it says poly, but I didn't know like what that was. But it's like this material, like this kind of glove. So I don't know. I guess it'll be okay. I don't know. But I guess you get what you pay for, right? I got another wipe, the Walmart brand. I got some dish detergent little tabs. They were like $6. This smells so good. It's the Dawn like Fuji cherry blossom scent. It smells so good. It was so expensive. It was like $3.44, and all the other ones this size was like $1.50. But it smells good. And I got some Listerine, a big thing of Listerine. This was like $6. They didn't have no small ones. They had like the Equate brand, but I need like the Listerine ones, you know. So, but that was still a good price for those. I got some sponges. I got some wet wipes to put in my car. I got some Dial soap for the bathroom, for my hands, and another Dial soap. This one is the Marula oil one. It smells good. I got some, why would they put, this one. I got some wipes, feminine hygiene wipes. I love those. And the few little food items I got were some Cheez-Its. I've been craving some popcorn, so I got that, and it's the single serve bags. It's 12 of them. They were like a little over $3. I got some chicken broth, some organic chicken broth. I don't know why I got organic, but I did. And I got some, I got some paper towels too, a 6-pack of paper towels, the Walmart brand of paper towels, but it's over there, and I don't feel like going over there. Got some soup, the Jazzy Jambalaya, that was like $1.77. I got some Chef Boyardee, 2 of them, they were 98 cents. And, one more bag. I got some tea, some Vermont maple ginger. That should be really good. I love tea. And I got another one of lemon lavender lane. So I think I'm gonna try those two tonight. I'm really excited for the lavender. It's, you know, lavender is like soothing and stuff. Oh yeah, that's it. So my friend told me about this Louisiana crunch cake. I've never had it. I've never even seen it. And I was just like browsing around, and they had this. And there was only one left, so I sent her a picture. I was like, it better be good. So yeah, I'm gonna try it. Ooh, I'll have it with my tea. So that is it. That's all I got. And the 6 packs of paper towels. So yeah, if you like this kind of video, thumbs it up, leave a comment. Let me know if you tried this one and how you like it, the Louisiana crunch cake. Let me know. Let me know if you've tried this tea. I love the Celestial Seasonings tea, this lavender one, or the, whoops, I dropped it, or the this ginger one. Let me know. I really want to know what you guys think. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.